Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture number 12, I am going to talk about the duality, concept of duality and dual networks. And after studying this presentation, you will understand the concept of duality. Okay. Now, what is a dual circuit? Suppose you have given this circuit, RLC series circuit is given and voltage source is given. Clear? So you will write the KVL. So what is the KVL here? RI वोल्टेज इन केस ऑफ इंडक्टर क्या होता है एल डी आई बाई डी टी वोल्टेज इन केस ऑफ कैपेसिटर क्या होता है 1/c इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ आई डी टी इक्वल टू वी सो यू विल राइट वोल्टेज हियर KVL here RI plus LDI by dt plus 1/c integration of I dt equal to V. You know it. So this is the equation based on the KVL. Now another circuit we have given, right? So here we have given say GR 1/R, resistance is given, inductance is given, capacitance given. So here you can write the KCL. KCL equal to क्या होता है I equal to IG plus IL plus IC this, and you can write I equal to what? Current equal to क्या होता है V upon R, V upon R या 1/R क्या होता है G, तो V into G you can write V into G या V into 1/R प्लस कैपेसिटेंस में क्या होता है इन केस ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस C dV by dt, करंट इक्वल टू क्या होता है C dV by dt प्लस इंडक्टर में करंट क्या होता है 1/L इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ V dt इक्वल टू टोटल करंट I. Clear? So in this one circuit we have written the KVL. In other circuit we have written the KCL, and you will observe both equations are same. V is converted into I, C is converted into L, L is converted into C, R is converted into 1/R या 1/R equal to होता है G conductance. So R is converted into G. इसका मतलब क्या है? If two networks are given and if you write the KVL in one network and if you write the KCL in the other network and both the equations are same, so we can say these two networks are dual to each other. These two are called as dual network. Clear? In one equation, one network I am writing KVL, and in another network I am writing KCL. So and both the equations are same. We can say both networks are dual. Now some properties are there. Some property of the dual network is there. So I am going to study this property just here. So equation 1 and 2, you can say this is equation number 1 and 2 are similar. The voltage source V of the series RLC circuit corresponds to current I in the parallel RLC circuit. Also the current in the first circuit corresponds to the voltage in the second network, like that. Clear? Some properties are there. Clear? So suppose in resistance is there. In the dual network it will become conductance capital G. Right? R will be converted into 1/R, that is called as G. Inductance L will be converted into capacitance C. Capacitance C will be converted into inductance L. Voltage source V will be converted into current source I. Series path will be converted into parallel path. Okay, our current source, that is a current source, converted into voltage source. Loop, in case of KVL, number of loops are there, it will be converted into nodes. Open circuit will be converted into closed circuit, that is a closed circuit. Okay, so that is the properties of the dual network. अगर आपने, if you are going to write the equation for the KVL based, directly with the help of property you can draw the dual network and you can write the equation also. So these are the dual properties, right? The next one I am going to discuss. So is it clear what is a dual network? What is a dual network? If you write the based on KVL in one network and equation based on the KCL in another network. If both equations are same, so we can say both networks are dual to each other, right? Okay. So we have studied this property. Now how to draw the dual network? That is very important concept. How to draw the dual network and how to write the equation, right? So first of all, how to draw the dual network. I am going to take that concept and write the equations, and we will see both equations are same or not. See here, for drawing the dual network, first of all, how many loops are there in this equation? How many loops are there? So we have two loops. So take two loops means two nodes. Node number 1, node number 2. ओके, दो लूप हैं, दो नोड ले लो एंड टेक one node outside, that is the reference node. I am taking this is the reference node everywhere, that is the reference node. So I am taking node number 1, node number 2, and this is the reference node connected to ground, right? Now join all these nodes and loops. So I am joining voltage source connected between 1 to ground, voltage source. So 1 to ground, you will get current source, I. Now what is the direction? I'm just checking. One note I want to give you. If you take the clockwise direction here, and while writing the clockwise direction, ये voltage source में क्या हो रहा है? माइनस से प्लस जा रहे हैं, तो it is a voltage rise or drop? It is a voltage rise. If it is a voltage rise, that means the direction of current towards that node 1. That is the node. Please note it down. That is the node. What is the node? If we draw clockwise direction of current of current in loop, and if voltage rise is there in voltage source, so direction of current source will be towards that node. That node matlab node 1. So just here I am taking a clockwise direction, और this is what, जब ये clockwise direction लेंगे तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Voltage rise. If it is a voltage rise means direction of current towards node 1, right? So I1, V will be converted into I1. Now 1 to ground through R1. So 1 to ground, R1 can convert into 1 to reference node. R1 के बदले में क्या होगा? 1 upon R1, that is G1. Okay. Now 1 to 2. 1 to 2 क्या है? L2. So 1 to 2 क्या हो जाएगा? C2. 1 to 2 will be C2, right? Now 2 to 4 क्या है? 2 to 4 R3. So 2 to 4 मतलब 2 to, sorry, not 2 to ground, क्या है? R3. So 2 to ground क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon R3, but that is 1 by R3, that is G3. Clear? 2 to ground क्या है? C4. 2 to ground क्या है? C4. So it will be L4. Okay, that is the way. So how to draw the dual network? First find the number of loops. पहला step, कितने loop हैं? 2 loops are there. So take 2 nodes inside the loops, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. and take one outside. This is outside मतलब चारों side मैंने ड्रा कर दिया. That is the reference node, right? Now this is 1, 2 and reference node. Now join 1 to reference voltage source है तो it will be current source 1 to 4. 1 to ground. 1 to ground क्या है R1, so 1 to ground will be G1. 1 to 2 क्या है L2, so 1 to 2 will be C2. 2 to reference reference node क्या है R3, so it is G3, like that. 2 to reference node C4 है तो L4. That is the way of drawing the this one dual network. Now how to write the equation? So just I am going to draw how to write the equation. Please see here. How to write the dual equation? Please see here. This is the loop equation. So कितने loop हैं? How many loops are there? 2. Loop 1, I1, loop 2, I2. So loop equation, loop 1, yes R1, I1, R1 में I1 flow हो रहा है plus L2, L2 is a common branch, इसमें I1 भी है और I2 है, so L2 d by dt, करंट क्या है I1 minus I2. Because it is a common branch, so इसमें I1 भी है I2. I1 will be positive, I2 will be negative, opposite direction है, right? This is downward, this is upward. So L di by dt, okay, equal to voltage source minus plus, it is plus V. That is equation number 1. Loop 2. Loop 2. Current I2 is flowing in R3, so R3 into I2 plus C4 में क्या होगा 1 by C4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I2 dt प्लस L2 di by dt, d by dt, I कितना है I2 minus I1. Why I2 minus I1? Because I am talking this loop, so I2 will be positive, I1 will be opposite as minus, equal to no source 0. These are the two equations, loop 1, loop 2. Now second loop I had drawn. Please, I am just changing the ink. Okay, नहीं आ रहा, so I am going to change. Okay, so this is the second loop I have. I am writing the KCL here. Sorry. I am writing the KCL here. Okay. What is the problem? Just wait. KCL. So I am writing the KCL here, right? So KCL. So how many nodes are there? Node 1, assign the voltage V1. Node 2, assign the voltage V2. Second step, remark the current through each and every branch. I am writing I1. I1 to ये है, so I2, I3, I4, I5. Right? So whatever the direction you want, you can take. Now KCL at node 1. KCL at node 1. What is the KCL at node 1? Incoming current I1 equal to outgoing current I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. Right? At this node, incoming current I1, I2 or I3 are outgoing. So what is the value of I1? I1 is I1 equal to I2. I2 कितना है? V by R. V by R. V1 by R1. Okay, प्लस I2 क्या है, I3 क्या है, दिस करंट क्या होगा C2 d by dt, C dv by dt, V2 क्या है V1 माइनस V2, C dv by dt इक्वल टू ओके, इक्वल टू I1. Okay, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर ए। आप चाहो तो उसको मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो। आई वन इक्वल टू 1/R1 होता है G1 V1 प्लस C2 dy by dt V1 minus V2। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए। नाउ KCL at 2 नोट 2। KCL at नोट 2 क्या है? I3 is incoming current। Clear? So I3 incoming and I4 plus I5 both are outgoing current. This is incoming, this is outgoing, this is outgoing. So what is the incoming current? C2 dy by dt, C dv by dt, V2 minus V1 minus V2। Correct? Incoming current क्या है? C2 dy dv by dt और V1 minus V2 का current is this is higher, this is lower potential equal to I4 क्या है? V2 by 1 by R3 V2 by R3 प्लस यहाँ क्या होता है इंडक्टर में I5 क्या है? दिस I5 इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 by L4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ V2 dt। क्लियर? सो अगर आप इसको चाहो तो मॉडिफाई करना है तो लाइक दिस टू, तो क्या आएगा? और मैं ऐसा लिखता हूं 1 by R3 क्या होता है? G3 V2 प्लस प्लस C2 dy by dt। एक्चुअली ये यहां जाएगा तो माइनस होगा, बट अगर मैं V2 को पहले लिख दूं तो V2 माइनस V1, I2 माइनस V2 माइनस V1। करेक्ट ना? ये इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा? माइनस, बट V2 माइनस V1 लिखोगे तो प्लस। क्लियर? और प्लस 1 by L4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ V2 dt। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी। जस्ट कंपेयर 1 एंड A। 1 R1 I1, यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 और A G1 V1, I1 के बदले में V1, R1 के बदले में G1 प्लस L2 के बदले में C2 dy by dt, I1 माइनस I2 के बदले में V1 माइनस V2 इक्वल टू, वहां पर V1 है, यहाँ I1 है, बोथ आर सेम। सिमिलरली यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? R3 इन प्लेस ऑफ R3 इट इज G3, I2 के बदले में V2 प्लस 1/C4 के बदले में 1/C4 के बदले में 1 by L4, I2 के बदले में V2 dt प्लस L2 के बदले में C2 dy by dt सेम, I2 माइनस I1 के बदले में V2 माइनस V1 इक्वल टू 0। सॉरी, so both equations are same, so these two are called as dual network। Clear? How to draw it is clear? So I am just going to take some example how to do it। I am rubbing it। I have not taken actually theory, I have not written example, just construct a dual network I have given। So I am just drawing one figure, for example, any one figure I am taking like that, say 10 volt, this is 2 ohm, 3 Henry, 4 farad, clear? And again I have given 5 volt। So this is the network I have given, clear? And I have given rather dual networks, but anyway I am going to write the KVL here। So okay, so KVL क्या आएगा? Suppose this is the loop 1, I am taking I1, loop 2 I am taking I2, If you write the equation, construct the dual network and write the equation, so क्या आएगा, Ri मतलब 2I1 प्लस L di by dt, L मतलब 3 d by dt, di by dt, I1 क्या है, I1 minus I2 equal to 10 volt. This is equation number 1. If you want you can write it. लूप 2 में क्या आएगा, 4 1 by C, 1 by 4, C की वैल्यू कितनी, 4, 1 by C इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I2 dt, करंट क्या है इधर I2 प्लस L 3 di by dt, d by dt, I2 कितना है, I2 माइनस I1 3 L di by dt इक्वल टू व्हाट, -5. -5 क्यों, ये अज्यूम डायरेक्शन प्लस से माइनस जा रहा तो -5. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. क्लियर. सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ ड्राइंग द राइटिंग द इक्वेशन. नाउ अगर आपको ड्यूअल नेटवर्क ड्रा करना है तो हाउ टू ड्रा द ड्यूअल नेटवर्क, जस्ट सी हियर. This is 3 Henry na, okay, so this is 3 Henry, sorry, this was 3 Henry, 3 plus, okay. Now I want to draw the dual network. So how to draw the dual network, just see here, I'm going to change the ink. Here how to draw that. First of all, how many loops are there, 2 loops are there, so take 2 nodes, node number 1, node number 2, okay, these are the 2 nodes, node number 1, node number 2, and take one node that is called as the reference node outside. चारों साइड दिखा देता हूं मैं. This is the reference node. Okay. Now join all these nodes. Node number 3, reference node, right? Join all these nodes through each and every source and element. That is the concept. Join all these nodes through each and every source and element. So first of all, 1 and reference node I am joining through voltage source. 1 and reference node I am joining through voltage source. So it will be converted into current source. कितना, 10 ampere. Voltage source will be converted into current source. But what is the direction, upward or downward? I told you one node I have given. If you take the clockwise direction here, so after taking clockwise direction, यहाँ voltage source में क्या हो रहा है, rise or drop? It is a rise. माइनस से प्लस जा रहे हैं तो rise. इसका मतलब है डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट सोर्स टूवर्ड्स द नोड 1, 10 ampere. Just wait. Okay. Then 1 to reference 3 ohm, 2 ohm. So 1 to reference, 1 to reference कितना है, 2 mho. It is a conductance. R will be converted into G. 2 ohm will be converted into 2 mho. There is G. Okay. Next 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 node किसके थ्रू जा रहा है, थ्रू 3 Henry. So 1 to 2 क्या हो जाएगा, ये 3 Farad, राइट. ओके. 2 से 1 आ गया, ठीक है. 2 से रेफरेंस नोड थ्रू 4 Farad. सो 2 टू रेफरेंस नोड क्या हो जाएगा, C will be converted into 4 Henry, right. And 2 to reference node 5 volt है. So 2 to reference node voltage source convert into current source. 2 to reference node 5 volt है तो 5 ampere. Now what is the direction, upward or downward, towards node 2 or away from node 2? Just see here, I am taking a clockwise direction. Note as per the node I have given. क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन कैसे लिया है, ऐसा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ये ड्रॉप हो रहा है कि राइज, प्लस से माइनस ड्रॉप हो रहा है. इसका मतलब है डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट टूवर्ड्स द नोड और अवे फ्रॉम द नोड 2, अवे फ्रॉम द नोड 2. क्लियर हो गया ये. अगर इफ यू टेक द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन लाइक दैट, क्लियर, और ये क्या हो रहा है, वोल्टेज राइज माइनस से प्लस, सो इट इज डायरेक्शन टूवर्ड्स द नोड 1. यहां पर आपने क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन लिया, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन लेने के बाद क्या हो रहा है, प्लस से माइनस मतलब ड्रॉप हो रहा है. इसका मतलब है नोड, डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट अवे फ्रॉम द नोड, दैट इज द नोड, राइट? ओके, so this is the node 1, node 2. Now I am writing the KCL. I am writing the KCL here. So KCL लिखेंगे तो क्या है? Assign the voltage to node 1 V1, assign the voltage to node V2. यहाँ I1 ले लेता हूँ मैं डाउनवर्ड, यहाँ I2 ले लेता हूँ, यहाँ I3 ले लेता हूँ, ये तो ऑलरेडी दिए हैं. So what is the KCL at node 1? KCL at node 1, इनकमिंग करंट क्या है? 10 इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट. दिस इज 10 इक्वल टू इनकमिंग 10 और आउटगोइंग क्या है? I1. आउटगोइंग I1 है, आउटगोइंग I2 है. I1 is outgoing, this is also outgoing, equal to 10 क्या है? इनकमिंग, राइट? व्हाट इज I1? कहाँ है I1? ये I1 V by 2 ohm, दैट इज 2 I इक्वल टू क्या होता है? V by R. 1 अपॉन R क्या होता है? G. सो 2V1. आर यू गेटिंग इट? V कितना है? V है V1. ये 1 अपॉन R, 1 अपॉन R मतलब G होता है. सो 2V1 प्लस यहाँ पर क्या होता है? करंट I इक्वल टू क्या होता है? C dV बाई dt. C मतलब कितना है? 3. D बाई dt. V क्या होता है? V1 माइनस V2 इक्वल टू 10. इक्वेशन नंबर A. जस्ट कंपेयर 1 एंड A. 2I1 2V1, 3 dy by dt, 3 dy by dt. I1 minus I2, V1 minus V2 equal to 10, equal to 10. Clear? Similarly, KCL at 2. What is KCL at 2? Incoming current equal to outgoing current. Incoming current कितना है? Equal to what? I2 equal to outgoing current क्या है? I3 plus 5. आउटगोइंग करंट क्या है? I2 इज इनकमिंग और I3 क्या है? आउटगोइंग और 5 आउटगोइंग, राइट? I2 कितना है? C3 dV by dt, C3 dV1 minus V2. ओके, राइट? प्लस I3 कहाँ है? I3 क्या है? 1/4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ V2 dt प्लस 5. ओके, इसको चेंज करके ऐसे लिख रहे हैं हम. 5 उसका उसका ये 5 सबको माइनस कर दिया. सॉरी, दिस इक्वल टू है, दिस इक्वल टू रिवर्स पोलैरिटी चेंज कर दी तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये 1/4 और 1/4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ V2 dt. ये इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा? 3 dy by dt V1 minus V2 V1 minus V2. बट V2 आगे लेना है अगर, तो इस पोलैरिटी चेंज करेंगे तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, V2 ये हो जाएगा, V1 ये हो जाएगा. सेम इक्वेशन है, देख लो. और ये 5 उधर जाएगा तो -5. क्वेश्चन बी, जस्ट चेक 2 and B both will be same, only current and voltage is changing, right? So this is the way of drawing the dual network and writing the equation. Any network you can draw, dual network, you can write the equation. Equation लिखने के लिए no need to see write this one. Just इसको देख के you can write the equation directly. If it is correct, so that is a concept we have. I am rubbing it. One more question I want to discuss. Construct the dual network of the following circuit. Any circuit I am going to take. Suppose I am going to take this circuit. $10 or you can say V1. like this. Okay, this is R1, R2, R3, 10 volt, 5 volt, 2 Henry, 3 Farad, 4 Henry, like that. This is the diagram I have given, and we have given draw the dual network. So how to draw the dual network? See here. Okay, so if you they have given write the equation, okay, you can write it. But dual network draw करना है तो how many loops are there? We have given 3 loops. Okay, so you can take 3 nodes. Node number 1, node number 2, node number 3, and 1 is the reference node outside, right? This is the reference node. I'm taking outside. So this is node number 1, node number 2, node number 3, and reference node. I'm taking node number 1, 2, 3. ऐसा लेने की जरूरत नहीं 1, 2, 3 like this. You can take in the line. Okay. So node number 1, 2, 3 I had taken. Okay. Now please see here. No, how to draw the dual network? We have to take all. We have to join all sources and elements. We have to join all these sources and elements through each and every. We have to join all these lines. Sorry, nodes. We have to join nodes through each and every element and source. So 1 to 4 node. 1 to 4 node. क्या है? Through voltage source. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means 1 to reference voltage source is there. 1 to reference node क्या है 10 volt. So यहाँ क्या आएगा 10 ampere, right? But what about the direction? देखो I told you already one note I have given. Take the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction लेने के बाद ये क्या voltage rise की drop? It is a voltage rise minus से plus. If it is a voltage rise, direction of current towards the node 1. Okay, now 1 to 3 क्या है 1 to 3 R1. So 1 to 3 क्या है 1 to 3 क्या हो जाएगा G1. 1 to 3 मान लो 10 वोल्ट 10 ओम है तो 10 मूव हो जाएगा 1 to 3. ओके नाउ 1 to 2 1 to 2 क्या है R2. 1 to 2 R2 तो क्या हो जाएगा ये 1 to 2 G2. 1 to 2 R2 1 to 2 G. 1 to 2 अगेन 4 हेनरी है पैरेलल में सीरीज में. सो 1 to 2 क्या हो जाएगा 4 farad. L will be converted into C. Series, these two were connected in series, so 2 will be connected in parallel, right? Okay, okay, everything is there, right? Now 2 पे आओ 2 to 1 हो चुका है 2 to 1 हो गया थ्रू हेनरी. 2 to 3 2 to 3 क्या है R3. 2 to 3 क्या है R3. सो 2 to 3 क्या हो जाएगा 2 to 3 R3 के बदले में G3. ओके एंड 2 to ग्राउंड क्या है 3 फेराड. 2 to ग्राउंड क्या हो जाएगा 2 to ग्राउंड क्या है 3 फेराड. सो 2 to ग्राउंड क्या हो जाएगा 3 हेनरी. C will be converted to L, right? Okay. Now 3 पे आओ 3 से 1 is over 3 to 2 is over 3 to ground क्या है 3 to ground 5 volt sources 3 to ground 5 ampere source. Clear? 3 to ground 5 ampere source आ जाएगा, right? But direction आपने ये direction ऐसा लिया clockwise. That is a rule. Clockwise direction लो, it is a voltage rise or drop. It is a voltage drop. If it is a voltage drop means direction of current source away from the node 3. It is direction will be like this. Okay, 5 ampere source. Now 3 to ग्राउंड क्या है 2 हेनरी, 2 हेनरी सोर्स है तो 3 टू ग्राउंड क्या आ जाएगा, क्या आएगा 3 टू ग्राउंड क्या है 3 हेनरी, सो 3 कहाँ गया 3, सॉरी 2 हेनरी, 3 to ground 2 Henry, so 2 Farad आ जाएगा. That is the dual network I had drawn. If you write the KVL, you can write the KCL here, you can write the KCL. Both equations will be same, right? So I had tried to clear your concept, that is a duality and dual circuit. Okay, I'm going to rub it. Okay, so thank you.